Every night, like clockwork, an unseen dance that repeats itself before dawn breaks. It's a phenomenon so common that chances are either you've experienced it firsthand or you're acquainted with somebody who has. The P.O.M. is a fortress of defense tailored to repel any potential assailant. Just what is a P.O.M? No, not that P.O.M, although that's pretty catchy. A revolutionary innovation in automotive security that keeps thieves from ever stealing your vehicle. The P.O.M stands as a beacon of hope. With its cutting-edge technology and unwavering reliability, it redefines the boundaries of auto theft, ensuring that your security needs are not just met, but they're exceeded. Discover unrivaled vehicle safety and security through our advanced system, meticulously crafted to set new standards in protection. From thwarting carjackings to safeguarding against all threats, it stands as a pinnacle of defense. Step into security with our exclusive limited time offer. Get your free installation and protect your vehicle against the looming threat of auto theft in Albuquerque. Don't wait until it's too late. It only takes 15 to 30 minutes. Our expert installation team will equip your vehicle with the latest in security technology, ensuring that you become the solution and not the victim. Don't hesitate. Click now to secure your peace of mind and bid farewell to the worries of auto theft. With the P.O.M, you will drive with confidence, knowing that your vehicle will never be stolen. What happens when a thief meets up with a P.O.M?
I don't know what's wrong. I can't get it going. Let me see if I can look under the hood and see what's wrong. Yeah, I don't see what's wrong. The battery looks good, but it's not starting. She's not starting, bro. I'm not gonna do this one. I can't get it going. I don't know if they got something in here or what, but I can't get it going. Bye. Shit.
I would much rather replace a $200 window than to have my car stolen. So you probably have questions. Well, so did Channel 4, Channel 7, and Telemundo. Here's what they had to ask and what they had to say.
One dealership in the metro is taking a stand.
Dealership owners typically want to move cars off the lot, but this dealership owner says he had cars drive away without anyone paying. But now he says he has a solution to auto theft. Spencer Schott is looking into this for us. Spencer, how does this work?
So his goal with this device was to create something that would make it impossible for thieves to even start the car.
Back in December of 2021, I had been hit.
Thieves tunneled through his roof, cut the wires to his security cameras, and made off with 8 cars from his lot. It was in that moment that Henry vowed he was going to do something about auto theft. Just to prove it's a working vehicle, Henry started the car. Then he turned on his device and tried to turn the car back on.
Nothing. No.
Not even a horn.
Not even a horn. Santa Fe needs to listen. Albuquerque needs to listen. This is the answer to our auto theft problem. I will reduce auto theft in this city by 40% in 6 months or more.
Now, Henry has been testing this device with family and customers for more than a year now, and he's installed more than 100 cars. Now, he adds none of the cars that he's installed his device on have ever been stolen.
Thousands affected by car theft each year. New research by Zimmerman Law Group shows just last year there were over 11,000 vehicle thefts here in New Mexico.
Something's got to be done. And then as I started beginning my research, we were #1 in 2017, #1 in the country.
So right now, when you're in the car, you can hear the engine is on and everything is going. But as soon as I hit this off button right here, the car will completely shut off and nobody will be able to go anywhere. KeyFob works with a device that's installed in your car. You can even power it off for the night until you're ready to drive again, or even able to do it if your car is being stolen in the moment. Devices used by car owners are one way to lower theft.
So this is how simple it really is. 15 to 20 minutes to install into your vehicle. Listen to what the former chief of Albuquerque said.
As a former police chief of the largest city in New Mexico, I can unequivocally state that if a device like this was available during my tenure, auto theft could have virtually been eliminated. I wholeheartedly endorse this product and even have one in my personal vehicle. Take advantage of this special installation offer and begin to enjoy peace of mind, knowing that your vehicle won't be stolen.
So in conclusion, allow me to present more evidence of my long-standing commitment to making change within the communities in which I call home and work.
You're a good example, Steve, of somebody who's not only started businesses and made them thrive, but you're doing stuff to help other people do the same thing.
Robert Kiyosaki.
Steve, you guys are stars. Massive leverage for the media.
And Governor Jan Brewer.
Small business is the backbone of anybody's economy.
Over the span of 20 years, I have dedicated myself to various initiatives aimed at enhancing safety, security, and long-term growth. Our mission is to reduce auto theft and the crimes that follow by 40%. One palm into one palm, one at a time. Together, we can make this happen. So what do you do next? We share this video to everybody you know. Click the link below, set your appointment, and take advantage of that free installation today.